Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Amin, Tabatabaei and Aravindh. This is a game from Aeroflot Open Chess Tournament played in Moscow in 2018. Amin, Tabatabaei had white pieces and he started with d4. Aravindh played knight to f6, c4, e6, knight to f3, d5, queen's gambit, knight to c3, bishop to b4. This defense reminds of Ng3 Indian defense, but this is called the Ragozin defense. White to move bishop to g5, the standard move, developing the bishop before playing e3. Asking the question, white to move. Bishop takes on f6. If bishop goes to h4, then black may play g5, and after bishop to g3, knight to e4. And the pressure is on the knight on c3. Back to our game. So, Tabatabaei captured the knight on f6. Queen takes bishop e3. Aravindh castled kingside, rook to c1, d takes on c4, bishop takes on c4, c5, and Amin Tabatabaei castled kingside. C takes on d4. White to move. Perhaps knight takes on d4 was expected. Amin played knight to e4, attacking the queen. Queen to f5, knight to g3, attacking the queen again. Queen to a5. E takes on d4. Rook to d8, queen to e2. Knight to d7. Rook from f to d1. Knight to f6, and Tabatabaei was waiting for this move to place his knight on e5. Bishop to d7. f4. This is not only giving more support to the knight. On e5, player with the white pieces is intending f5. And if pawn takes pawn on f5, then bishop takes on f7 or knight takes on f7. So, player with the black pieces played bishop to e8, defending the pawn on f7. f5, pawn takes pawn on f5, knight takes on f5. After 18 moves have been played, white is standing better. Two white knights placed so close to the black king would make any king nervous. Rook from a to c8, queen to f3. Pressure is building up. The queen may go to g3, and then the threat is queen takes pawn on g7 checkmate. Bishop to f8, defending the pawn on g7, and ready to meet queen to g3. White to move. What would you do? Please pause and find the best move for white. Did you pause? What did you find? Amin Tabatabaei played knight takes on h6 check. Did you find this move? Pawn takes knight. Queen takes on f6. Bishop to g7, attacking the queen. What is the best square for the queen? What would you do? Amin Tabatabaei played bishop takes on f7 check. King to h8. If bishop takes on f7, then queen takes on f7 check. And after king to h8, rook takes rook, rook takes rook, queen to f5. And white is winning in this variation too. Back to our game. King to h8 was played. Knight to g6, check. King to h7. White played a move and black resigned. Please pause and find that move. Did you pause? What did you find? Amin Tabatabaei played knight to f8, check. And Aravindh, player with the black pieces, resigned. If king goes to h8, then queen to g6, threatening checkmate. If bishop takes on f8, queen to g8, checkmate. And if bishop takes on f7, queen to h7, checkmate. And what else? If in this position, bishop takes knight, then queen to g6 check. And after king to h8, queen to g8, checkmate. This is a spectacular tactical play by 17 years old chess player from Iran. Amin, Tabatabaei. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.